I am capable of overcoming any challenges. Today, I choose joy and positivity. My mind is a powerful tool for creating happiness. I attract positive energy and people. Every day is a fresh start for success. I trust in my ability to unlock new opportunities. Happiness is a choice I make every moment. I am surrounded by an abundance of love. Gratitude fills my heart and shapes my perspective. I believe in my potential to achieve great things. My thoughts shape my reality, so I think positively. Every challenge is a stepping stone to my success. I am resilient and can handle life's ups and downs. Positive thinking empowers me to be my best. I am a magnet for joy, health, and prosperity. My life is a reflection of my positive attitude. I embrace each day with hope and enthusiasm. My mind is clear, focused, and optimistic. I radiate confidence and positivity. I am worthy of happiness and success. Every moment is a new opportunity for growth. I choose to see the good in every situation. Optimism is my natural state of mind. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. My positive outlook attracts positive experiences. I am grateful for every blessing in my life. Challenges help me grow and become stronger. I am surrounded by positive energy. Every day, I grow more confident and capable. I am deserving of love, happiness, and success. My journey is filled with joyous discoveries. I choose to focus on what I can control. I am a beacon of love and positivity. My heart is open to endless possibilities. I embrace change as a path to growth. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. My life is a beautiful adventure of growth. I am strong enough to overcome any obstacle. I am a positive influence on others. Joy flows through me with every breath I take. I am constantly evolving into my best self. My mind is a sanctuary of positivity. I am in harmony with the universe. I choose thoughts that nourish my spirit. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. I am the architect of my happiness. Positive thoughts create my positive life. I am worthy of all the good in the world. My spirit is resilient and unbreakable. I am a vessel of positivity and strength. Every day, I am getting better and stronger. I choose to embrace the beauty in life. I am fearless in the pursuit of what sets my soul on fire. I am surrounded by an aura of positivity. I am a living example of optimism. My life is filled with boundless potential. I attract success by being my authentic self. I am in tune with the positive flow of life. My happiness is a reflection of my inner peace. I am grateful for the journey and its lessons. I am a radiant source of love and positivity. Every day, I cultivate a positive mindset. I am empowered by my positive thoughts and actions. My life is a testament to the power of positivity. I am a warrior of light and positivity. I am a creator of joy and happiness. Positivity is my shield against negativity. I am the master of my emotions and thoughts. I choose to live with enthusiasm and joy. My heart is overflowing with gratitude and love. I am a positive force in the universe. I am always moving forward with confidence and grace. I embrace each challenge with a positive spirit. I am a catalyst for positive change in the world. My life is a beautiful symphony of joy and love. I am constantly attracting positive experiences. I am a beacon of hope and positivity. I am filled with endless energy for my passions. I am a vessel of limitless potential. I am in a constant state of growth and improvement. I choose to fill my mind with positive thoughts. My spirit is unbreakable and full of positivity. I am a magnet for miracles and blessings. I am confident in my path and my choices. My optimism lights up the world around me. I am a living embodiment of positivity. Every step I take is towards a positive future. I am grateful for the abundance surrounding me. My positive energy is infectious and uplifting. I am the creator of my own happiness. Every day, I embrace life with positivity and gratitude. I am a source of inspiration and positivity. My life is a journey of positive transformation. I am at peace with myself and the world. I am constantly surrounded by love and positivity. I am the driver of my destiny and happiness. I am a positive impact on everyone I meet. My life is a canvas for joy and positivity. I am grateful for every opportunity to grow. I am the embodiment of positivity and resilience.